The Negroni is a classic Italian cocktail known for its perfect balance of bitter, sweet, and herbal flavors. You will need the following ingredients: 1 ounce gin. Use a high-quality gin for best results. 1 ounce Campari. This brings the signature bitterness. 1 ounce sweet vermouth. Choose a good quality sweet vermouth. 1 slice orange peel, for garnish. For equipment you will need mixing glass, bar spoon, strainer, rocks glass, ice. Here are the instructions. Fill the mixing glass with ice. Add gin, Campari, and sweet vermouth to the mixing glass. Stir well until the mixture is chilled, about 30 seconds. Strain the mixture into a rocks glass filled with ice. Garnish with a slice of orange peel. The Negroni is believed to have been invented in 1919 at Caffè Cassoni in Florence, Italy, when Count Camillo Negroni asked the bartender to strengthen his favorite cocktail, the Americano, by adding gin instead of soda water.